Hi everyone, welcome back to another very important session of FINRA classes, and we have been solving FINRA questions for quite a few days and for quite a few classes, and hope my FINRA students are liking it, hope they're enjoying my class and hope they're learning from this class. So we have done some questions on theories, we have done mostly on theories, and we have done some questions on problems also for numericals also, and this is another one. Let's focus on this question. The return that will be earned over life of a fixed annuity is tied to an investment index such as the Standard and Poor's 500, is tied to a portfolio of common stocks selected by the annuity owner, will always be at least equal to the guaranteed minimum specified in the contract, may decrease over time due to increase in surrender charges. Tell me. So it's about fixed annuity, okay? Now learn one thing over here. Fixed annuity, different types of annuity, understand type of annuity, okay? First is fixed annuity. It talks about guarantees a fixed interest rate for specified period. Okay. Another talks about the variable equity or indexed equity annuity. And it says it is about returns are tied to market performance. So that we have understood. Now the question says the return over the life of a fixed annuity. So we are not talking about market performance. We are not talking about market link performance. Now let's go to the options and let's check it out. Okay, first it's saying is tied to an investment index such as Standard and Poor's 500. No, this is again incorrect because this describes equity indexed annuities, variable. Okay. Number B says tied to a portfolio of a common stocks selected by the annuity owner. This is also incorrect. Why it is incorrect? This describes variable annuities, again variable annuities, because where the owner chooses the sub accounts, because owner chooses the sub account. Okay. C is saying will always be at least equal to guaranteed minimum specified in the contract. This is correct. Why this is correct? Fixed annuity guarantees a minimum credited rate. Okay, minimum over here. So over here C is talking about fixed equity annuities guarantee that minimum credited rate. As specified in the contract. Okay. Now D is talking about may decrease due to surrender charges. This is also wrong. Why? Surrender charges reduce proceeds if withdrawn. Withdrawn early, but do not change the guaranteed return itself. So it what it happens, surrender charges reduce proceeds if withdrawn early but do not change the guaranteed return itself. Now why this matters to client, tell me. Now there's a question, why this matters to client. This matters to client because fixed annuities protect principal and guaranteed minimum return even if interest rates drop, because fixed annuities does what? Protect principal. Your principal and guarantee minimum return. Just now I have said minimum credited, it will be minimum return. Okay, even if interest rates drop. Unlike variable or equity index annuities, the owner does not face market risk. Again, owner does not face market risk like variable, in the case of variable annuities. Okay, that much is there. So in variable annuity, what happens is that investment sub accounts and market risk is there, and equity index market risk is not there, and index performs limited by the participation. Okay. Okay, so we have solved this question, and I think this one is quite easy. There's nothing much to explain. Whatever was there, I have already done it, and I guess you have understood it quite clearly. And if there is any doubt, if you want to join our class, if you want to join the doubt clearing sessions, you can just WhatsApp us or ping us in this number 9062395123. This number is given in your screen. If you want to take study material from us, that also available, that is also there with us, that is also available with us. You can do that as well, and for that also the same number is applicable, and for mock test also same number is applicable. Okay. Okay, chalo, let's end this video and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.